Hello, Choro-Q Chibikko lovers. Today we have a Mazda T2000 from this Always collection. In this collection, we have this thing. I have one of those. I don't know if I have this. It's funny, it doesn't say what they are. Oh, here we go. So yeah, today we're going to talk about this. But the Carol, I have the Midget, I have the Subaru 360. I don't know if I have these other three. Maybe someday. Is there a date? J1507? Maybe this is from 2007, the 15 week, if I had to guess. Because I don't see a date anywhere else on here. Or did I miss it? Always3.jp. So that'll be interesting to look at that website. Alright. So it's got this stand with this little rectangular peg on it. And the vehicle sits on that peg. And the reason they do that is because it keeps the tires from getting squished. Because this is a pullback toy. So you could display it like this, and the tires, won't get squished. But it's pretty good stand actually. But I don't really use those things. So this is a really big truck in the real world. It's supposed to be able to hold 2 tons, and it's pretty much full-sized, but it's a trike, obviously. Here you can see there's like a Toyota Altis or something behind it, so it's a big vehicle. Alright, so these are standard ChoroQ Chibikko wheels I'm seeing here. Alright, painted yellow. They're pretty nice actually. I like the contrast of the yellow against the blue body. And then this blue body, we have silver around these headlights. I think that's clear plastic right there. And then there's a little grille detail painted silver as well. Some turn signals up here. Maybe this is a vent. Yeah, it is. And then we have the central wheel here. And that's clear plastic, I think, there. Yeah. Alright, so this might be clear as well, but it looks black. Yeah, it is clear, I think. It's really smoked. I don't know if this is a separate piece or what. It looks like there's a break there. Yeah, I think so. Doesn't open, does it? No, it does not. Alright, so the bed here. This is covering up the wind-up motor, but there's some bed details. Alright, no painted lights back here, though. These should be red here. Always. And then standard construction, I guess, of a screw and a tab there. But that's obviously not standard, being a 3-wheeler. Tires are still pretty soft. I don't know if I should switch the wheels out on this thing. Let me come back. Well, I took it apart just to show. Here's the inside. It is all clear body and painted blue and silver. And this front thing is just all one piece of plastic. So if I swapped out the rear wheels, I would also have to repaint the front wheel. But I'm afraid if I push this pin out, I might not get it tight back in there. So I'm gonna just leave this alone, because I think it would be weird to have a yellow front wheel and then some other wheels of a different color in the back. I don't have this exact yellow in my paint setup there, so. Alright, so I do have these 2 others from the collection. This one I did add some black paint to the wheels. Maybe I'll go and do that to this one later on. That's this, Subaru 360, I think. And then here's that Daihatsu Midget, and I swapped the wheels over from some other damaged car I had. But see, this one you can't see the front wheel, so I think it looks pretty good with the aftermarket wheels on that one. Alright, so I don't have the other 3, I guess, from that collection. Let's see what other classic looking vehicles I have. Here's an old Nissan Skyline. Really chromed out wheels on that one, though. Well, I have a 2000 GT. I guess that's it. Everything else is pretty modern, so I guess I'll have to track down those other three maybe someday if I can get them at a decent price. And apparently I'm going to have to add some black paint to these wheels on these guys as well. Alright, well, hold on. We got to let this thing spin on its own, right? Every model gets that chance. So I think this is a nice Chibikko. It's a really funky looking vehicle in real life. And it transforms well to a cartoon, I think. Even a really small cartoon car. Alright, well thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next Chibikko video.